Select a V-build drive to transmit 18 kilowatt at 1500 rpm to another pulley which runs at 750 rpm. Diameter of smaller pulley is 100 mm and center distance is 2 times the diameter of larger pulley. This is the condition given. So starting with the solution, using velocity ratio relation between two pulleys, that is N1 by N2 equal to D2 by D1. First we found diameter of a larger pulley D1 equal to 200 mm, which is shown in the solution. So speed ratio is 2. So either use the ratio of diameters or ratio of speeds. So we got the speed ratio as 2. Next, to find effective pitch diameter DE, referring table 18.35, page number 284. Our speed ratio is 2, so that 2 lies in the range 1.815 to 2.948. So FB correction factor FB is equal to 1.13 you got. So now to find effective diameter DE, so multiplying by dP into FB, we got as 113 mm. Now velocity also we are supposed to find V equal to pi d1 n1 by 60 or pi d2 n2 by 60. You will get the same answer. So we got V equal to 7.85 meter per second. So next step is to find the power. So that power equation we're supposed to write based on cross section of belt. Our effective diameter DE is 113 mm. For that respective value from the table 18.34, page number 283, we got the cross section of V belt as A. For that we wrote the power equation as written in the solution. So power we got 1.534 kilowatt. Next, to find number of belts, so the expression is already written, equation 18.33. So in that we require correction factors. So first correction factor FA. So refer table 18.41, page number 289. So assuming normal torque condition and medium duty, if it is not mentioned then take it as medium duty for service, and working hours will take 10 hours to 16 hours per day. So nothing is mentioned, then this is the condition. We should assume normal torque, medium duty. So FA correction factor we got 1.2 from the table 18.41. Next, to find correction factor FC, table 18.42, page number 290. So for that we require length of belt. So first that is represented by LP, equation 18.34, page number 280. Substituting all the values, we got LP as 1277.25 mm, but standard value, that is nearest nominal inside length. So referring table 18.42, for this particular value, that is 1295 mm for a cross section of belt. So now your new length is 1295 mm. Okay, so for that you got FC is equal to 0.94 from that table. Next correction factor is FD. Refer table 18.43, page number 291. For that you require theta S, angle of lap for smaller pulley. So theta S you got 165.64 degree. But referring table nearest standard value is 166 degree. For referring table 18.43, you got FD equal to 0.97. Substituting all these value, number of belts we got 15.44. So almost equal to 16 belts. Last step, change in center distance. Since the new length we got, so new center distance will be there. So from table 18.46, page number 292, for nominal inside length of 1295 mm, Nominal pitch length for a cross-sectional area ALP is equal to 1331 mm we got from the table. Substituting this length value in the center distance equation, we got C equal to 427.07 mm. Now lastly, referring table 18.29, page number 281. So these are the dimensions of V belt we got. 13 mm and 8 mm. Thank you.